Hola amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos.
The product that I'm going to review today is a cleanser from Lakme. First, let me talk about how it looks. It is a pretty cute bottle and it doesn't come with any outer box. It has a well-fitted cap to it. So there are absolutely no chances of any leakage. So this makes it a travel friendly. This cleanser retails for around 135 rupees and it contains 60 ml of the product. But I purchased this for around 88 rupees from Nykaa during its festive sale. This cleansing milk is enriched with avocado extracts and vitamin E. So guys, this is gonna be really gentle on your skin. And it also claims to remove any surface impurities as well as makeup. So moving on to its ingredients, it contains water, paraffinum liquidum, cetyl alcohol, methyl paraben, butyl paraben and many more parabens. So guys, for people who are highly concerned about paraben content in your product, then this is not your type of a cleanser because it isn't paraben free. And this is how it looks. It looks very milky and it's creamy in its texture. Now I'm going to apply a foundation on my hand along with a liquid lipstick, because I believe liquid lipsticks are a bit tough to come off when compared to the normal ones. And a liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna swatch all these makeup products on my hand and show you if this cleanser can remove them off. Sorry guys, I missed to record the part where I've already applied a foundation. Here I'm gonna reapply it. Here's my second pump of the foundation and I'll try to blend this well into my skin. Liquid lipstick is already on my hand right now, and here's a stroke of the eyeliner. Here I take clean cotton pad and apply a very little amount of the cleansing milk and first try to remove the foundation. And ta-da! Guys, as you can see, the foundation has come off completely. It's so impressive, I tell you. Next, let's try removing the lipstick. I've taken the same amount of the cleanser as I've taken for the foundation. And it takes off my lipstick as well. Only a tint of it is on my hand, but that's fine. And so the eyeliner just comes off in a single wipe. So as you can see, my foundation and eyeliner has completely come off and only a tint of my liquid lipstick is on my hand. So guys, so personally, I love this product. I love this cleanser. It's been my recent favorite.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama. Goodbye.